Man, what's up, everybody? It's your boy E-Mac. I just bought this 1985 cutlass. Give y'all a preview of what I bought in a minute. But I'm having problems trying to get this thing started. So if any of you people out here who got a cutlass with a 307 engine in it, it's a 307 V8 5.0, and I bought it yesterday and I went to crank it. It cranked up at first, so now I'm out here trying to mess with it again and it's not getting anything. So hopefully when I post this video, some of you guys can probably help me out. I tried putting gas in the carburetor. That didn't work. I tried putting starter fluid in there. That didn't work. The car has been sitting up for about, I want to say about 13 years. But the lady, she'll crank it up every now and then, and I think maybe a year or two ago she stopped cranking it up. So I put a new battery in it, and I put some gas and some seafoam in it. So hopefully that would help whatever was in the tank, kind of clear it out into the gas lines. So gas is going into the carburetor. When I hit the little lever on it, it is going into the carburetor on both sides. So that's a good thing. Let me know gas is getting up there. But the car won't start. So it started on yesterday, but it won't start today. So like I said, the car has been sitting up for a while. It's a 1985 Cutlass Supreme Broham. They got a 307 5.0 in it, and I'm trying to get the car started. So hopefully you guys can help me out.